Always like that. It's very
The
busy.
most iconic one, big loud bikes, always in Canggu.
Alright, so we decided we will have a morning coffee in Satu Satu Berawa, which is very famous place. We already passed it. It was actually quite busy, so let's check this out. How is it? There is some construction, people taking part of the roof. Check this out, very strong people. Anyway, as you can see everywhere here is developing area, even if it's situation, how is it? This is the coffee shop, but still developed quite a lot. Check this out. And check how many bikes is here, and so fancy bikes. Woo! Nice, very nice. Alright, so as you can see it's quite busy over here. But that's the Canggu vibes. We got our coffees. Winnie got a cappuccino and extra coconut. Check her out, you know, and sipping. So nice, yeah?
And then they have a special promotion like this. Coffee and omelette, only 50k.
So good. Actually in Canggu also is quite many promos like this. As for 50,000 rupiah, 50k, you can get some kind of coffee and breakfast. There's few places around, so super cool.
So here they also have a very nice cake, yummy cake. Look at this one. Yeah, yum. And then one thing that I like going to the coffee shop is the barista, the art of the barista, which is making coffee. Hello, bro. Oh, look at this guy. He is so happy to share me how to make a coffee. What coffee you make? Cappuccino. Oh, that's my favorite coffee. Nice. Very nice. He is such a very talented guy. Look. Ah, very nice. Very nice. Yay. So this is how it is, you know, how busy, hustle and bustle life in Canggu. And the place almost full house. And look at Damian there. Hi, honey. Hi, yeah, so cool. Almost full house. Alright, so we are in Berawa area, Berawa Canggu. So this Berawa Canggu actually like the first part of Canggu that was developed after Seminyak. So many expats living here, as you see, many villas on the right and on the left. Yeah, and this is the Tamora Square. So Tamora Square is just like the mall, the small version of mall in Canggu. As you see, many places to hang out. And this one, a new restaurant called Ona. This one is the famous intersection in Canggu, in Berawa, especially Trattoria, Gypsy Fish, and this one also new Italian. So this one is Canggu Station. For those expats who used to live in Canggu, you must know this place. So this is Tamora, office. So this area of Barawa, like, you know, this is where the Canggu community people firstly developed. This one, Peloton shop, coffee, and then I remember that long time ago when it's not really well developed yet. It's just like a small village, but now as you see, many shops, many guest house, but still the locals also living here in the Berawa area. So this is why Canggu always busy, people running. This is Berawa area.
Check this out, how it looks, our beautiful breakfast. Only 50k.
Include this, one package. So good. best quality.
Very nice. So this is omelette, toast, salad, and coffee.
So we just have a coffee. As you see the place. So you see loud bikes, Canggu vibes. This is how it is. All right, now let's get our car. I feel already.
It's so hot, guys. So
hot.
And also, like, as from our observation, mostly people who are here, they are usually 50-50 by Americans and Russians community. From the language and accent of being here. And also like maybe 15-20% of local people only in Canggu to compare to different areas.
Yeah, as I see when I sit in restaurant, except the workers, only, I think three people are locals. All right, so after breakfast, it's already super hot. So we decided to make a vlog in the car. I mean like driving around Canggu, Berawa, Canggu area and showing you around how it is now. Now we are heading to, what is it? The area still in Berawa area. As you see over there, I'll show you over there. It's like many villa estates are built, and this one is shops. Will be many shops, new shops. So yeah, Canggu is building a lot. I know this one a brand new restaurant. I know that Canggu really, this one also a new places. You see, this one new rented building. You see behind us. Big loud bikes. That's iconic Canggu. So here is the only one a traditional market in Canggu. It's called Pasar Semak Sari. Yeah. This one is called in the morning Pasar Semak Sari, the only one traditional market. Yeah, you see loud bikes everywhere, Canggu lifestyle. Okay, if you are with me, just help me to count how many loud bikes that you already hear. Okay, so this is called Canggu Permai. This area is where the local community living, local of Canggu's people. So yeah, this is the housing complex of local. As you see, many small houses, right? Yeah, so this is how the Canggu Permai area. So yeah, you see the housing complex, and also I think some also expats who live here. Yeah, so this is mix between local and expat. I can say that. So you can still find the local housing complex. And expat villas or guest house. Yeah. Area of villas is one. This area now you see many of new villas here. New building construction in Jalan Raya Semak. Brand new places. Jeez, Canggu really changed a lot. Many buildings. I don't know, maybe 10 years ago. I mean 10 years, or I don't know, maybe how many years later do we still have rice fields or not? Because as you see that lots of new buildings. I don't know. I don't know what to say. So actually you see here they are, like I told you, mixed life here in Canggu area, especially in Jalan Raya Semat, Tibu Benang area. This one local warung and also restaurant. This one Barawa's kitchen. So this area, and this one another restaurant. One new place, Sista Dumplings. Really many brand new places. Like here, brand new place also. This one. Yeah, so this area, Tibu Benang area. So we are heading to Pantai Berawa, Elite Canggu Estate. You see, geez, so many changes. So now we are heading to Pantai Berawa. You see there, that's the housing, I mean like the apartment. And this one, you see, yeah, expat living here, so chill. Look at the right side. Brand new place will be built. You see the construction on the right side. If you go straight, you will go to the Fins Beach Club. So yeah, we just head here. See, new construction building. So many brand new places, like this one, new Ruko, brand new one, just built. This one, Canggu, 18 grams. I don't know, is it hotels or something? Yeah, on the right side is the brand new area of the Ruko. Yeah, it's property agent. So this one, Desa Berawa. Many new tourists who coming to Bali, they mostly choose Canggu because yeah, many brand new shop. Maybe easy to get food. I don't know what to say. Let's see how Canggu in 10 years later. So I hope that you still watch us 10 years later. Yes, this one a brand new place also. Wow, it's called Good Mantra coffee shop and restaurant. Jeez, this one also brand new. Oh my god, feel like it has been long time. This one is Warung Made in Canggu. Ah, jeez, I feel like it has been long time I didn't go to Canggu Berawa. It's a lot changes. Alright, so we come again in the intersection in the Canggu station.
Alright, as you can see, the area has changed quite a lot since the past few years. I remember when I came to Bali first time, I stayed somewhere in Barawa in one Balinese family guest house. And I was walking around looking for a place to eat, looking for a shop to buy Coke or something. It was so quiet. Now I cannot even locate where is this guest house now, because it's so difficult to find, because there's so many businesses around. And as you can see over here, everywhere is like has changing quite a lot.
A lot of changes.
Really a lot.
Like there, the small gang here. that there is a new place, a complex of suits, villa, and I see that from here, you know, the new sign here, Canggu Hut Suits, private villas or something. There are even lots of brand new place. You see
Like
the
this
new
one.
building.
Like this one, as you can see.
Here. Oh,
So many changes.
So many changes,
So
actually.
Canggu is developing quite well. I have to say, probably the most developed area in Bali so far right now during this situation.
and you see also that before in the restaurant, so many
people really
people
busy.
there,
I have to
expats,
say.
tourists. I don't know. All right, I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching. And then you know it's already hot.
It's very hot actually, guys. Really hot nowadays in Bali. Okay, I think that's will be enough for today. So thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care.
Bye.